Good morning children. Today second class mathematics. We are discussing how to do the subtraction with regrouping. Okay. In hundreds and tens and ones. In previous class already we discussed some questions. That is in your textbook page number 58. Today we are discussing about in that textbook page number 59. They given some more questions. These bits we have to see how to do that. Okay. First they given here 3-digit number, that is 647 minus 382. Okay. In the given 3-digit number, first which place we can subtract children? First of all we have to subtract the ones place. That is 7 minus 2. Every time how you are doing? Up which number did they given? That many lines we are drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And down which number did they given? That many lines we are cutting. 1, 2. How many are remaining? That number count and write in the ones place again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we are doing. Okay. And sometimes it is not possible. How? Why? Because here 4 minus 8. 4 is a small number compared to 8. So take regrouping from hundreds place to tens place. Regrouping is nothing but borrow. Okay. Here 6 to giving one number means this becoming as 5. And here 100 is equal to 10 tens. So 10. 10 plus 4. 14. So I am writing 1 beside the 4. 14 minus 8. Here draw the 14 lines. It is impossible. And open the 14 fingers also not possible. Why? Because we have only 10 fingers. So here we have to count 8 after to 14. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers did I open children? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number is 6. You have to write down. Okay. Tens place completed. Go for the hundreds place. 5 minus 3. Open 5 fingers and close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 2. Write down 2 in the hundreds place. 265. Okay. This one over after. Go for the next question. That is 344 minus 286. First which place we can do the subtraction children? First we can do the ones place. But in the ones place up 4 is there, down 6 is there. Compared to 4 and 6, 4 is the small number. Directly not possible. Take regrouping. Okay. Here to here giving one number means this become as 3. And this become as 14. Why? Because 110 is equal to 10 ones. Okay. 100 is equal to 10 tens. This one. And here 110 is equal to 10 ones. Okay. Like this. Now 14 minus 6. 6 after 2 count up to 14. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers did I open children? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 write down in the ones place. Next 3 minus 8. 3 also small number compared to 8. Again take regrouping. Here to here. 3 to giving one number means this become as 2. And this become as 13. Okay. So just write down 1. Okay. After the 3. 13 minus 8. 8 after 2 count up to 13. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did I open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down 5 in the tens place. 2 minus 2, 0 in the hundreds place. So the answer is 5858. Now same like that, next question. 594 minus 278. First we can subtract the ones place. 4 minus 8 not possible. Take regrouping. Here to here. 9 to giving one number means this become as 8. This become as 14. Why? Because 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 8. 8 after to count up to 14. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? 6. 6 write down here. Next, 8 minus 7. 7 after to count up to 8. 7 after 8. Only 1. 5 minus 2. Open 5 fingers, close 2 fingers. How many are remaining? 3. So the answer is 316. Small number is there means you can do directly like this. But like this big number is there means you have to count from down to up. Okay? 695 minus 489. First you can subtract the ones place. 5 minus 9 not possible. Take regrouping. Here to here. 8 to giving 9 to giving one number means it become as 8. It become as 15. 15 minus 9. 9 after to count up to 15. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 6. The answer is 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. The answer is 206. Same like this, one more question. 729 minus 389. 1 minus 9, not possible. Take regrouping. This becoming as 11, this becoming as 1. Okay? 11 minus 9. 9 after to count up to 11. 9 after 10, 11. 2. 1 minus 8 also not possible. Again take regrouping. 7 to giving one number means this becoming as 6. This becoming as 11. 11 minus 8. 8 after to count up to 11. 8 after 9, 10, 11. How many fingers did I open? 3. 6 minus 3. Open 6 fingers and close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. What is the number? How many fingers are remaining? That is the answer. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 332. Same like this. Next question. 281 minus 192. First we can subtract the ones place. 1 minus 2 not possible. Take regrouping. Here to here. 8 to giving one number means this becoming as 7. This becoming as 11. 11 minus 2. 2 after to count up to 11. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers did I open? 9. So the answer is 9 in the ones place. 7 minus 9. Not possible. Take regrouping. 2 to giving one number means this becoming as 1. This becoming as 17. Okay. 9 after to count up to 17. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many fingers did I open, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 1 minus 1, 0. 89 is the answer. Next, 443 minus 144. 4 is the big number compared to 3. So take regrouping. 4 to giving one number means becoming as 3. This becoming as 13. 13 minus 4. Okay. 4 after to count up to 13. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers did I open? 9. So the answer is 9. 3 minus 4, not possible. 4 to giving one number means 3. This becoming as 13. 13 minus 4. 4 after 2 count up to 13. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9. Okay. 3 minus 1. Open 3 fingers and close 2 fingers. 2 is the answer. Next. Answer is 299. 759 minus 568. 9 minus 8. Okay. Open 9 fingers and close 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 is the remaining. 5 minus 6. Not possible. Take regrouping. Here to here. Okay. 5 to giving one number means 7 to giving one number means this becoming as 6. This becoming as 15. 15 minus 6. Okay. 6 after 2 count up to 15. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 9. 9 in the tens place. 6 minus 5, 1. The answer is 191. Same like this in your textbook page number 59. They given some more questions. You have to finish only this first bit in the textbook. This bit I will explain tomorrow. This you have to do in your maths. Only have to finish this first bit in your textbook. So, what is your homework, children, today? Complete in textbook page number 59. First bit only. Okay. This is your homework. Page number 59. First bit, these all problems you have to finish in your maths notebook. First of all, understand how to do this. Then you can do that.